here's what's gonna happen. Let's get the paint on there and then we're gonna massage it into the chair. Good, so that it's not sitting on the top. This for $30. So I'm dipping my brush in and I'm gonna put it on the chair. I'm gonna mix them just right on here. I just am, we'll just see how it goes. Using Debbie's DIY paint, it's a clay-based paint and it's delicious. Oh, now see if I put it on thick, if you try to make it in one coat, that's when people are like, oh, it was crunchy. But then it's sitting on the top. I didn't get like a container and put half water and half paint and mix it together. You can do that, that's perfect. But what I'm gonna do is it's literally gonna be a dye. I'm gonna go ahead and mix some coral in there too. Let's just put some cowgirl coral on top and see what it does. See what it do. There, I'm gonna mix it. There, it's mixed. In the corners, you do want to make sure that's where it tends to get crunchy because you don't have as much moisture and haven't given it a chance to get in there. So I'm going to spray that pretty hard. So now I can just get down in there and it's my paint Bixie brush and thing. It doesn't hurt. Petticoat pink. Let's go back down to the seat. We'll see how it dries. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more water. I'm moving the paint around so that it's so just like a miniature boho wall. So what do I use over there? I think I will. I think that's a great idea. I got kissing booth. So what I've done is actually 2 coats, let the paint soak in. Put it nice and watery, about half and half at least for the first coat or 2. And I'm gonna blend the coral, I'm gonna blend a little bit of apothecary, I'm gonna blend the mermaid tail. And I'm gonna use the same brush. This is a paint pixie. So I'm gonna re-wet that so that it can blend. I've got my sanding sponge. Make a little bit of kissing booth so I can blend it back with this. We'll just get that on up there a little bit. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I wanna know, really wanna put it. Can you see right there? It's this kind of rosy peach. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. Mermaid tail. I really wanna know, really wanna know if I ever feel. So I'm gonna brush this back up into there a little bit. Now we're gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna just kind of wipe them off. See how it's not crinkly? We basically dyed it. And that is why it's not crunchy. And why it will not peel off or flake off. And that's all I did to prep the piece, by the way. It was just wash it with a little wipey. Doesn't need primer, doesn't need those things. Doesn't need them. So you can see, so this is vintage linen. And then I put some clear wax on it. No telling where it goes. Using Big Top. And I'm gonna dilute it with some water. It's kind of fantastic. Days and
won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if
know they don't like painting, but they like the singing. Share it and go, hey friend, just skip to the end. Okay.
life is
All right, I'm gonna go. Thank you, ladies. I love ya. Bye.
no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.